Okay, guys, good morning again. I just want to kind of take a look at doing the hitch peg. Okay, so we'll take a look at that. Let me share my screen so we can do that. All right, share entire screen. Boom. Okay, so let's take a look at the hitch magnet. All right, so we're presenting our screen. Boom, boom, boom. We're good to go. All right, so let's take a look at Fusion. All right, so right now with the hitch magnet, we're actually going to, or the hitch peg, we're going to do this. So right now we're going to, again, use our evolve tool to make this. So I have the hatched pattern here. I'm going to go in and, again, I'm going to use half of these. So I have a 1/4 inch here, 0.2 on here, and then this is actually going to be my surface radius of 0.208. All right, I have my heights here, so literally I'm just going to kind of draw these. All right, I'm going to come up 1.15 here, and then I'm actually just going to kind of connect these two with an arc. Okay, and then we could also chamfer it down on the bottom again. All right, same thing that we did with the stack. So let's take a look at that and draw that. So boom. All right, so right now we're actually going to do a 2D sketch. And again, the pieces, this one's not too crazy difficult, so we don't need crazy dimensions on that. So let's just kind of go in, let's look at the dimensions. So right now I got half of this, so I'm going to do 0.125, and I'm going to go up 0.5. All right, let's take a look at that. So 0.5, all right, and 0.125. All right, so it's very tiny. All right, and we can kind of go from there. All right, let's kind of zoom in so we can see it. All right, so again now, all right, kind of coming across, I know that I have this distance here of 0.15. All right, 0.15, boom. And now I know I have this distance here. It was 0.4 at the diameter, so I'm actually just going to do 0.2. Okay, if you look here, this is where I got those dimensions. So I know that the space in between here and here, so if I take this and minus this, it's going to give me 0.15. I took half of the diameter here, and now I just have to go in and add the surface radius of that. Okay, so what I could do is I can go down and use an arc tool. So I'm actually going to use my 3-point arc. So I'm going to click here on my first point, click here on my second point, and then just go over here. And what I could do is just kind of place that and dimension it later. Okay, so I can place that, dimension it, and so it's roughly right now at yeah, you can see what it's at. All right, 0.028 or 0.208. All right, and that's going to give me my surface radius. Okay, now I'm going to finish my sketch and use my revolve tool to, basically revolve this off of this axis. Okay, so go back to our revolve tool, select the geometry that we're working with. All right, select the axis that we're working with. Everything again is going to be 360 degrees. Okay, we're making a new body, so that's going to be good to go. All right, so that is pretty much the hitch peg. All right, so let's just save that up. All right, and we're good to go. All right, so let's stop that. Stop sharing. Let's go back to the meeting and the recording. I don't know why I keep telling you guys all that. I should have like some really funny, exit, but that's